this other feature is what we call roll. So for this is where we can take the intensifier and roll it over the patient or roll back. So if we're in for a spine and we're looking to demonstrate an oblique, then we can use this feature of roll. Again, I don't call this feature oblique because depending on my approach to the patient, it may not be an actual oblique. If I'm coming in above the patient for a clavicle and I roll over, I'm now shooting an axial for the clavicle. So I tend not to use descriptors that are projections or views. The functions of the machine usually have a much more movement descriptive term. So on this machine here, we have a lock which now allows the C-arm to rotate over, and some manufacturers would call this scan, to scan, overscan or underscan. So here we can roll over. This machine in this setting only rolls over around 25, 30 degrees. But coming back, so to roll back, we can actually roll back into parallel to the floor. Typically that would be a lateral, but again, depending on patient position, we can't call this lateral, so this would be parallel to the floor. When you operate this function, you have to make sure that you have clearance under the bed. So normally before I would sweep under the bed, I would just raise up the drape, make sure that there's no catheters, there's no drill lines, there's no obstructions, just so that then when I sweep, I have confidence that I'm not striking anything under the bed. So this one here is called your roll. So roll over, roll back.